Hi, welcome to Z Gadget Review. As we know, LG isn't doing very well when it comes to their mobile devices. Their mobile department has been in the red for the last 4 to 5 years. Their last quarter didn't do any better, and they are trying to sell their mobile division, the US portion of that mobile division. Now, there was a little glimmer of hope there with the LG Rollable Phone, which they teased during CES 2021. Despite all the bad news and all the negative rumors around their mobile business, LG had said that they were still in development of the LG Rollable Phone and that it was something that they probably will actually release. There was even more hope when at CES they said that the phone will actually be in the market in 2021. There are some news about the LG Rollable Phone that just came out, and the news are not good, and I wish that they were different. But at this point, it seems that the LG Rollable Phone might be dead. This comes from the Korea Herald. LG reportedly told its parts suppliers, including Chinese display maker BOE, to put the rollable smartphone development project on hold, according to industry sources. I am inclined to believe that what the Korean Herald is saying is correct because so far everything that they have reported on when it comes to LG's mobile business has been on point. Now today, the day that I'm shooting this video is February 23rd. An LG spokesperson talked to The Verge and told them, "I can firmly deny that any such a decision on future mobile products has been finalized." It makes sense that they will say something like this, but if you notice, this statement isn't confirming that the phone is actually going to be made or when is the phone going to actually come out. The other problem with this statement denying that they have made a final decision on mobile products is that this is exactly what they said when the reports that they were looking to exit the mobile business came out. They originally came out and said, "That's not true, we're not saying that," and literally the next day they came out and said, "Oh, never mind, actually it is true, we are planning on exiting the mobile business." Clearly, this is a company in disarray when it comes to their mobile division. One day they said this is not true. The next day they say, "Oh yeah, this is true." There are reports that they are planning on selling the smartphone business to a Vietnamese company. Then that they are telling their suppliers to stop making the parts for an upcoming phone. Instead of coming out and quelling all the rumors and saying, "Hey, this is where we are on our business. This is what we're planning on doing with the rollable phone." Instead of coming out and saying those things to kind of put a stop to all this, they're just going to say like, "Oh no, we haven't made a decision on anything yet." Then give us some information on what's happening with this part of your company. Tell us what's happening with that device. Just don't let these speculations continue. It will take a statement of like, what, 6 sentences to tell us exactly what's happening. LG Rollable is still in production. We are planning on releasing it on 2021. If anything changes, we'll let you know. Statement done. What do you think? Do you think that this article actually is telling the truth and that LG is really going to cancel the LG Rollable? They're just not ready to announce it. Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. Thank you very much for watching.